plant identification apps. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about some apps that can help you identify and take care of your indoor plants. Certainly, for identifying indoor plants, you need specific apps tailored to urban and indoor environments. Here are several useful apps for identifying and caring for indoor plants. Plant Identifier. This app is capable of identifying various plants using images. All you need to do is take a picture of the plant and upload it to the app for it to provide you with the plant's name, care information, and other relevant details. Google Lens. This app, provided by Google, can identify various objects, including plants. By using your phone's camera, take a picture of the plant, and with Google Lens, receive the name and information related to that plant. PictureThis. This app uses artificial intelligence and neural networks to identify plants through photos you take. It also provides information on plant care and propagation. Gardenize. This app helps you record and manage comprehensive information about your indoor plants. You can record details such as planting dates, watering and light requirements, and other necessary care in this app. Garden Learning. This app provides educational information on caring for indoor plants and can also identify plants based on images. Greenify. This app helps you provide the best conditions for the growth of your plants. It also supports plant identification features.
Garden Planner. This app helps you plan your indoor garden and manage information about plant care.
Greenify. This app provides consultancy and guidance on caring for indoor plants and also has plant identification capabilities. These apps will be useful tools for identifying and caring for your indoor plants. However, it's advisable to review user reviews and ratings of the apps before use to select the one with the best performance. If you want more information about these apps or other topics, please write to us in the comments section. Also, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Don't miss out on future videos. Follow us on our channel. Thank you for your attention.